Everyone will want to eat your donut after this brilliant idea. In a bowl, start by adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then 1 cup of cornstarch. Let's crack 2 eggs. Half a cup of milk. 1 tablespoon of butter or margarine. Let's mix all this together well. Add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Add another half cup of flour and mix until the dough doesn't stick to your fingers. Next, let's move to the countertop. Let's divide this dough. We'll flatten each piece and then make cuts as I'm showing you. Then make another cut in the middle. Now just fry them in hot oil. Roll your donut in powdered sugar. Once done, just enjoy it. And look everyone, how amazing it looks. Make these at home. I'm sure everyone will love them. I hope you enjoyed this. See you next time and thanks.